If you like geraniums, but you don't like to pay for geraniums, I think you're going to like this video. Every year, we make new plants from the old plant. Here's the mother plant from last year. In the wintertime, we bring this plant inside and just set it by a window. In the spring, we can take the new growth and cut it off and make new plants. Now this year, we bought some new geraniums to mix with the old ones. We did this because we want a brighter red as well. So once you cut it, pull the bottom leaves off, put it in some root tone, make sure the dirt is nice and wet, then you just put it in the ground. It's really that simple. Roots will grow from this and we'll have beautiful geraniums. Now there are a few things that you're looking for, and that is new growth. Right here you can see a bud coming up. Now you've got to have this new growth because this is where the plant's going to come from. Now if you've got new geraniums and you want them to do really well, I'll show you how we plant them. You want to make sure that the roots have plenty of water, so let the water soak in. Now you're going to want to take any of these yellow leaves that aren't really healthy looking and go ahead and pull them off. In fact, it'd probably be a good idea to pull off a few at the bottom anyway. You definitely want to do this on a cool day. Today it's raining, so it's perfect. If it's not raining, do it in the evening. That way, it'll have the entire night to settle in without stress. If you put it in the morning, the sun's gonna come out, it's gonna stress out your plants. You really don't wanna do that. So make sure that you have nice loose soil and then pack them into the dirt. So that's how you plant the new plants. I'll go through a better example of how to start it from the mother plant. Here we look at the mother plant and we look for the new growth. And here's a good one. Now the new growth is a brighter green. So we just cut them off with a nice sharp knife. Then we start to pull off some of the lower leaves. You want some leaves because that's where the plant's going to get the energy. Now we're just going to cut it off right at this node. Look here at this new growth. Then you just put it into any kind of root tone. If you don't have the root tone, go ahead and throw it in the ground anyway. The root tone helps, but it's not an absolute necessity. Now go ahead and pack it in and make sure everything's stable. When these new plants take off, it'll be like fireworks. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.